The Japanese plum, though it may look like a small plum, actually harbors a rich history and genetic diversity dating back thousands of years. This fruit, beloved in both gardens and fruit markets, embodies the sweet and vibrant face of nature, from its color to its aroma. Let's explore the nature, history, and benefits of this plum variety together. Botanical origins and classification. Japanese plum's scientific name is Prunus salicina. It belongs to the Rosaceae, rose, family. Despite the name, Japanese, its origin is believed to be in China, particularly around the Yangtze River basin, where wild populations still exist. It was introduced into Japan more than 2,000 years ago. In the late 19th century, Japanese plum made its way to the United States, and during that period many plum cultivars were bred from it. Genetics and breeding. Modern, Japanese plum cultivars are often complex hybrids. Breeders like Luther Burbank cross P. salicina with other Prunus species, such as P. simoni, P. cerasifera, and some American plums, to improve traits like flavor, firmness, size, and shelf life. There is significant genetic diversity in Japanese plum populations. A study using SSR markers found many alleles, reflecting rich genetic variation. Because of this breeding history, many commercial Japanese plums are not pure P. salicina but hybrids, which is part of what makes their fruit so variable and interesting. Morphology and growth. The Japanese plum tree typically grows to about 9 to 12 meters tall. Its branches often have a purplish-brown to reddish-brown hue. Leaves are oblong to elliptic, 6 to 12 centimeters long, with scalloped edges. Young leaves may show slight variations in shape. Flowers appear in early spring. They are about 2 centimeters in diameter, with 5 white petals, usually grouped in threes. The fruit is a drupe, stone fruit. Its skin can range from yellow or red to green or purple, often with a powdery bloom. The flesh tends to be yellow-pink, and the fruit diameter can vary from around 4 centimeters to up to 7 centimeters in some cultivated varieties. Cultivation and global spread. This plum prefers temperate climates. Many commercial cultivars require cross-pollination because many Japanese plum varieties are self-incompatible. Major modern cultivars were developed using hybridization to improve qualities like firmness, flavor, color, and shelf life. One example cultivar, Prunus salicina, Ozark Premier, known for large, sweet, juicy red plums and good disease resistance. Nutritional value and phytochemicals. Japanese plums are a good source of dietary fiber and vitamin C. They contain a variety of bioactive compounds, anthocyanins, especially in darker, blood, plums, flavonoids, proanthocyanins, and hydroxycinnamic acids. These compounds contribute to antioxidant properties. Due to these phytochemicals, Japanese plums may have anti-inflammatory, anti-carcinogenic, and neuroprotective potential, according to research. Culinary uses. Eaten fresh, many plum varieties are consumed raw, with varying skin colors and flesh textures. Processed, Japanese plums are used for jams, jellies, preserves, juices, and even in desserts. Post-harvest handling. Due to their breeding, many cultivars have been optimized for better shelf life and transport, making them good for commercial fresh markets. Cultural and economic importance. Japanese plum, or its hybrids, is one of the most important fresh market stone fruits globally due to its high fruit quality traits. Genetic diversity programs, breeding core collections, are underway to preserve and use its variation for future breeding. As a crop, it contributes significantly to horticultural economies in many temperate regions around the world. Safety and considerations. Generally safe as a fruit, but like other stone fruits, the pit is not edible. Because of hybridization, different cultivars may have different flavor profiles, sweetness, acidity balance, and storage behavior, so not all Japanese plums are equal. For optimal taste, pick or buy plums when they are ripe, or close to ripe, depending on the variety.